Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. I have found the one whom my soul loves. You had me at hello. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. If I know what love is, it is because of you. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. You make me want to be a better man. With you, I am home. When I saw you, I fell in love, and you smiled because you knew. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. I choose you, and I'll choose you over and over and over, without pause, without doubt, in a heartbeat. To me, you are perfect. I never want to stop making memories with you. Meeting you was like listening to a song for the first time and knowing it would be my favorite. I wish I could turn back the clock. I'd find you sooner and love you longer. You're nothing short of my everything. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. You don't marry someone you can live with. You marry the person you cannot live without. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side. When I'm with you, hours feel like seconds. When we're apart, days feel like years. You're the piece of me I didn't know was missing. All that you are is all that I'll ever need.